Welcome back, YouTube. And today we're on part 3 of the van. So today we're going to try and get all the interior taken out, curtains off, cooker unit out, and get all the seats off, so we can get access into the 2 panels, the main centre panel and the rear quarter panel, and then have a look at the back of that, see if there's any hidden damage that we've sort of not accounted for. And hopefully start getting the panels cut off and yeah, get everything start getting things cleaned up and ready for new panels going on. So yeah, I'll get you set up on the tripod, probably drag it at the front of the van somewhere so you can see most of the back of it, and we'll get all this out on a time lapse. So yeah, I will hopefully see you in a second. We'll get all this stripped down and go from there. Hello guys, right, as you can see, most of it's out. I'm knackered. I ended up having to not film as much as I wanted to because with all the wiring and all the bits that are in there, I had to keep stopping to take pictures and take little videos of where everything goes, where all the wires are and so on. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't get as much filmed taking it all out, but obviously you can see that the outcome. The whole rock and roll bed's out. It was a nightmare to get out. Yeah, so it's basically just a lino that's left, which is glued in, so that's probably going to end up ripping as I take that out, which we're not fussed about because we were saying that we wanted to change the colour of the lino anyway. So yeah, I'll get the lino out and then basically we're just ready for the looking at the panels. We'll show you what's on the inside. There's not actually that bad on the inside, to be fair. So we've got, obviously, that's the main outside panel, all of this. So there's only this piece here, which is the inner B post. Yeah, so there's only this piece, which is, I'm pretty sure that's the inner B post, which I'm pretty sure I've got that. When we come over to this side, obviously it's still the main central panel there. All of this piece is pretty straight. It's just about caught it on the edges there and a little bit at the bottom there. Most of that down there is pretty straight, and again, you know, the main cross frame there is all pretty straight. So it doesn't look like it's touched any of the interior structure. So yeah, I think we've managed to get away with quite a majority of it. So it's just a case of obviously changing the 2 main panels on this side. Obviously once we get the main panel off and we can have a look behind it, then we can see if there's anything else that does need. I'm pretty sure, or pretty confident in saying it is just the main 2 panels on the outside. So we'll get you set up on the tripod on the outside and we'll start taking a few measurements of the panels where they need to be cut. And then yeah, it's just a case of slowly going through that and cutting bits off now. Probably going to end up starting with the rear quarter panel or rear wheel arch, and then just working our way forward then. So yeah, we'll get you set up on the outside and we shall go from there. Right guys, we've finally got it off. Yeah, it's glued all the way along here, and then there's a few spot welds basically all the way around here. Obviously where it's a bit mangled in the corners, this one was sort of pushed right up here. So yeah, where they're mangled, couldn't really drill out the spot welds just because they're in little creases and stuff like that. But that new drill that I've got, this thing, I highly recommend anyone that is drilling out spot welds to get one of these. Yeah, it's literally 2 seconds and it's drilled straight through the spot weld. Really good thing. I couldn't use it as much as I wanted to because obviously it's all in creases and bent. That's the only issue with it, is basically if the panel's all mangled you can't really get it in. But yeah, if you're just doing standard panel repairs and stuff like that, I'd definitely invest in one of them. Brilliant piece of kit. But yeah, it's just roughly cut off now. It's a case of now just obviously trying to straighten up all the little bits and bobs. We're not going to replace the inner wheel arch because it's not particularly that bad. It's just a little bit bent in this bottom corner and the same really in this bottom corner. And then just this lip needs straightening out. So it's not that bad. And then we've got a couple of bits on this bit here which just need straightening again, and then this piece is the main concern. But once we've got the quarter panel, so the centre panel off, we can look at just cutting that off and fabricating something. As I say, we've got one of them extra runners which looks to be around about the same sort of depth as that, so I'm hoping that'll do. Yeah, unfortunately that's going to be it for today, because again it's now late. It's took a lot longer than I wanted to get to this stage, and yeah, I need to get home and get some stuff done ready for Christmas. So yeah, I will hopefully see you tomorrow, and if you've liked the videos, just give us a thumbs up, give us a follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.